What's up, traders? Julian here from jlewistrading.com, and today we're talking about CNET. This thing's a monster. It's up 297% at the time of this recording. At one point today, this thing was trading over 305%. It's a real mover. These are the stocks that we're always gunning for, and today this one kicked off and did some great things for us. This is again CNET. I'm going to go through how I traded this. It did come through the J. Lewis Trading proprietary scanner that we have, and it picked this thing up. It gave us some insight as to the volatility profile on this stock, and so I started to watch it when the cash market opened, and was given a really nice opportunity to trade this just in and around 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Also, side note, I was actually calling this out on Twitter. Our Twitter handle is @JLewisTrading. If you're not following us, you might want to check into that because we are randomly putting out trade alerts, and there are a number of people that are not part of the J. Lewis Trading community that are emailing us, giving us feedback, saying that they're making great cash off of these free alerts that we're putting out there. So again, that's @JLewisTrading on Twitter. But again, CNET was the trade of the day, and what we were doing here is watch for that pre-market, that cash market intraday high to get set right out of the gate. Price action did come off. I was a little bit skeptical at one point because it did take out all of its major moving averages and the VWAP. I did find some short-term support right through here. It consolidated. It also set a nice little double bottom, which indicated and suggested that price action was maybe setting up to go long. You could see that it did do that right through here, took out all of those moving averages and the VWAP before pulling back. It was actually in this pullback that I was given opportunity on this, and this is where I really started to monitor this stock. So you can see that we we set this little pivot right through here, which created and confirmed some trendline resistance. It pulled back, and the attitude was very, very simple. As soon as that trendline resistance was broken out to the upside, I was going to get long, and I did that right through here. So this was the candle that we were buying. We got long, natural pullback, and it was very, very simple. It was either this prior candle was going to get taken out, we were stopped out of the trade, or it was going to confirm that this is a real move by taking out 385, which is exactly what it did. And then this thing ran higher, and it found a high of $5.10. This was a really big move. So for all of you guys that are watching this, that are following us on Twitter, that took us up on CNET, fantastic. I got some shout outs on Twitter and Facebook from J. Lewis Trading students that were trading this, that were reporting making huge returns. One student, in fact, made $5,500 on this exact trade today. So I would suggest following us on Twitter @JLewisTrading, checking out the Facebook page, Instagram, etc. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel because, again, we're always putting out new content. And if you are subscribing to the channel, we'll get that content out to you sooner than later. If you have any questions about this trade, feel free to give me an email. I'm at info@jlewistrading.com.